Welcome back to Daily Decor Studio. If you're decorating for the 4th of July this year, you only need a handful of items to make a big impact. A few small flags, patriotic ribbons, seasonal pillows, decorative signs, and framed artwork can instantly refresh your home for the holiday. Today, we'll walk through the key areas of the home and explore simple decorating ideas for each space, including the entryway, living room, shelves, coffee table, side tables, and dining area. Whether you prefer a classic patriotic look or a more modern style, these ideas are easy to recreate and work with decor you may already have at home. And if you're looking for decorating inspiration, I've linked some of my favorite patriotic decor finds in the description below, so be sure to check those out as well. Let's begin at the entryway. The entryway is one of the easiest places to decorate, because even a few small accents can completely change the feel of the space. If you have a console table, start there. A vase filled with a few small American flags instantly creates a festive focal point. Next, add a framed patriotic message card or a simple decorative sign. If you already have candles, lanterns, or decorative objects on the table, leave them in place and simply layer in a few seasonal accents. For the front door, consider adding a patriotic ribbon to your existing wreath or hanging a simple welcome sign with a patriotic theme. One decorating tip I always keep in mind is that a few carefully chosen accents often create a stronger first impression than filling every surface with decorations. The goal is to create a warm and welcoming entry that feels festive from the moment guests arrive. Now let's move into the living room. This is often the heart of the home and one of the best places to introduce seasonal decor. The easiest place to start is the sofa. Adding 1 or 2 patriotic accent pillows can instantly bring in holiday colors, while still keeping the room comfortable and stylish. A red pillow, a blue pillow, or a subtle patriotic pattern can be enough to create the look. One decorating tip I like to follow is letting the furniture remain the star of the room. A single patriotic pillow or accent piece often creates more impact than covering every seat with holiday decorations. Next, take a look at your coffee table. A simple tray with a candle, a decorative sign, and a small flag arrangement can create an attractive centerpiece in just a few minutes. Because coffee tables naturally draw attention, even small decorative touches can make a noticeable difference. Leaving a little open space on the table helps each decorative piece stand out and keeps the arrangement feeling relaxed and inviting. Now let's talk about shelves and bookcases. Shelves are perfect for adding small seasonal details throughout the room. If you already display decorative books, vases, framed artwork, or collectibles, simply mix in a few patriotic accents. A small flag tucked into a vase, a decorative sign, or a framed patriotic quote can blend beautifully with your existing decor. Another meaningful idea is to display framed photographs that celebrate the spirit of the holiday. This could be photos of family members who have served in the military, historical figures you admire, or patriotic artwork that reflects American history and heritage. These personal touches help create decor that feels meaningful as well as beautiful. One simple styling trick is to focus on a few areas of the shelf rather than decorating every section. This helps draw attention to your favorite pieces and creates a cleaner overall display. Next, let's move to side tables and console tables. These spaces are perfect for creating small, decorative moments throughout the home. A lamp, a candle, and a patriotic accent piece can instantly make a side table feel styled for the holiday. Decorative trays work especially well because they help organize multiple items into a cohesive display. You can combine a small flag arrangement, a decorative sign, and a few existing accessories to create a simple and polished look. Sometimes the smallest displays become the details that guests notice most. Now let's head into the dining area. The dining table often becomes the center of family gatherings and celebrations, making it a wonderful place to add a few festive touches. Start with a simple centerpiece. A decorative tray, candles, a patriotic sign, or a small flag arrangement can help create a welcoming table setting. You can also incorporate red, white, and blue accents through napkins, placemats, or a table runner. A simple centerpiece is often all you need. Keeping the arrangement low and uncluttered makes the table feel welcoming and comfortable for guests, while still creating a festive atmosphere. Another great place to decorate is the kitchen countertop, island, or buffet area. A small decorative display with flags, framed artwork, or patriotic message cards can help carry the holiday theme into everyday spaces. These simple additions make the entire home feel connected and thoughtfully decorated. One decorating principle that works throughout the entire home is repetition. Try repeating a few key elements throughout your spaces. For example, you might use small American flags in several rooms, similar ribbons in different displays, or matching patriotic signs throughout the home. Repeating a few decorative elements creates a cohesive look and helps each room feel connected to the next. Another simple approach is to build around the decor you already have. Most homes already contain neutral furniture, wood tones, white accessories, and decorative accents that pair beautifully with patriotic colors. By layering seasonal touches onto your existing decor, you can create a festive atmosphere without needing a complete room makeover. As you decorate this year, focus on the spaces that naturally attract attention. The entryway, the sofa, the coffee table, shelves, side tables, dining spaces, and kitchen countertops. These are often the areas where a few simple decorations can have the biggest impact. And remember, beautiful decorating isn't about adding more. It's about choosing the right details and placing them where they'll be noticed and appreciated. With just a handful of decorations, you can bring the spirit of the 4th of July into your home while keeping your space stylish, comfortable, and true to your personal taste. Thank you for joining me today. I hope these ideas inspire you as you prepare your home for Independence Day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know which area of your home you enjoy decorating most for the 4th of July. Happy decorating, and I'll see you in the next video.